Most people see the bee and think only about the sting. But the bee carries one of the most powerful lessons in nature. Because bees create kingdoms together. Not through ego. Not through chaos. Not through selfishness. Through purpose. Every bee understands something modern people often forget. Alone, you can survive. Together, you can build civilizations. That is the first lesson. The hive survives because every bee understands its role. No bee wastes time demanding attention. No bee believes it is bigger than the mission. Each small effort strengthens the entire kingdom. Imagine how powerful life becomes when people stop competing with everyone around them and start building together. The bee teaches unity without losing individuality. And look at how tirelessly bees work. Day after day. Flower after flower. Trip after trip. No applause. No audience. No shortcuts. Just consistency. That is discipline. Most people want massive success with minimal effort. The bee understands that greatness is built through tiny actions repeated thousands of times. One drop of honey seems insignificant. But millions of small drops create something extraordinary. That is how success works too. Tiny habits. Tiny improvements. Tiny disciplined actions. Repeated daily. And perhaps the most beautiful lesson of all. Bees create sweetness while working. Think about that. The world can be harsh. Cold. Competitive. Yet the bee still creates honey. That means your hard work should not only benefit yourself. It should create something valuable for others too. True success leaves sweetness behind. Another lesson. Bees do not waste time explaining their importance. They simply do their work. Quietly. Meanwhile, many people spend more energy talking about goals than actually building them. The bee reminds us. Action speaks louder than intention. And notice something powerful about the hive. Thousands move together with incredible coordination. Why? Because confusion destroys survival. Purpose creates direction. Many people feel lost because they wake up without mission or structure. The bee wakes up already knowing what must be done. That clarity creates momentum. Another lesson. Bees defend their hive fearlessly. Even against larger enemies. That means size is not everything. Courage matters. Unity matters. Purpose matters. Small creatures become powerful when they stand for something bigger than themselves. And understand this carefully. Bees survive because they adapt with nature instead of fighting against it. They move with seasons. With timing. With balance. Humans often destroy themselves trying to force everything instantly. The bee teaches patience. Growth takes time. Honey takes time. Kingdoms take time. Another powerful lesson. A bee spends its short life serving the future of the hive. That is purpose greater than ego. Modern culture teaches people to focus only on themselves. But the bee shows another path. A meaningful life is not measured only by what you gain, but by what you help build. And maybe the deepest lesson of all. Without bees, entire ecosystems collapse silently. That means small creatures can hold enormous importance. Never underestimate your value simply because the world overlooks you. Some of the most important people work quietly. Without recognition, without fame, without praise, yet they keep entire worlds alive. So become like the bee. Work consistently, build with others, create sweetness through effort, protect your purpose fiercely, and stop chasing attention more than contribution. Because true kingdoms are not built by one loud person. They are built by thousands of quiet workers moving with one purpose.